Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to change the message alert tone on your Nokia 105. First you want to head to the menu and then come all the way down to the settings, and let's go into that, and then you want tone settings at the very top, and you want to come down until you get to message alert tone, and you can either turn it off, you can have a standard, you can have beep once, or you can have ringtone. Once you've selected which one you want to press the middle button to confirm it. So that's how to change the message alert tone on the Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching. And also don't forget to check out this playlist here where we have many other Nokia 105 tutorials.